Never seen anything like this. The car just exploded. Yeah.
Look how black the smoke is. Oh my gosh,
Look at
it's
the
getting
smoke.
worse.
Yeah.
Is somebody trying to put it out, or
I don't know. I don't know.
it's just spreading by itself?
Our car is right there. My car is right on the side. Oh my goodness, it's spreading.
Oh shit.
What happened? I have no idea. Could that be an elect? That is my car right there.
The gray one?
Yeah, the gray one. I just hope it doesn't spread.
It won't go here.
What could have happened? Jesus.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. Never seen anything like this.
Because I just had a sample.
Look at they are calling us. This car just exploded. What's your answer?
Yo, call Steve. Tell him to come back.